How would you rate the pain from 0 to 10? 0, wala kang na-feel. 10, sobrang painful. 0 na. Alright. Hi, I'm Doc J, your board-certified dermatologist and hair specialist here at Dermis. So aside from medications to regrow your hair, isa na dito yung mga injectables. One of them is yung tinatawag nating PRP or platelet-rich plasma. It's actually a concentrated plasma na punong-puno ng mga platelets. So why do we need the platelets? Because these platelets contain yung mga growth factors that we need to stimulate the hair follicle in order for it to regrow. So sa process ng PRP injections, number 1, we have to get blood sa patients natin. No? So kukunan natin yan, and number 2, ilalagay natin sa centrifuge to separate yung platelet component ng blood. No? But it doesn't end there. No? We have to get yung concentrated part, so we have to make sure na concentrated yung lalabas. While we are processing it, we also combine PRP with low-level light therapy for added benefit. Next, we will start to inject anesthesia para walang masyadong maramdaman yung patient. Lastly, pwede na nating inject yung patient ng PRP on the scalp. So if you have any concerns about your skin, hair, and nails, you could visit us here at Dermis. We are very happy to help. See you soon. Bye!